Look at what this dog is doing, it's truly heartwarming. This loyal pup is helping an elderly woman carry a bundle of hay, using only his teeth. Step by step, he walks beside her, gently pulling the load like a true helper. It's not just strength, it's love, awareness, and a deep bond between a dog and his owner. In a world full of distractions, this little act of loyalty speaks volumes. If this moment touched your heart, leave a loyal helper in the comments. Hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more beautiful stories like this.